First things first, low and slow. You guys, I cannot stress this enough. When you look at the packaging, the serving suggestion says 1/4 teaspoon in 8 ounces of water. Well, the 8 ounces of water is subjective to what you're using it for. So we are going to have something coming out that will have the directions on there so that you can send that to your clients. But low and slow is so incredibly important because of the detox symptoms that you can get by taking this. This is an absolutely powerful detox. And I'm talking not only heavy metals and that, but like parasites. I've passed parasites. So it's so incredibly important to start slowly. What you're going to feel as you go into these servings and uses of the Fulvic, if you are taking too much and you need to back off or skip a day, you're going to feel lethargy, you're going to feel headache, you're going to probably get constipated if you're not drinking enough water. And I can't stress water enough. I can't stress water enough. You've got to flush those toxins out when you're taking this. You'll have flu-like symptoms. There's just a lot that can happen to your body. Just pay attention. Pay attention to what your body's feeling. Let's start with your absolute number one must do when starting Fulvic. For your first, that should be 1 to 3 days, sorry. For your first 1 to 3 days minimum, you're going to add 1/4 teaspoon to hot water and soak for 20 minutes. And the reason for that, if you can see that foot diagram there on the left, your organs are all connected at the soles of your feet, as well as having over 6,000 different pores. So what's happening during this detox is you are expelling parasites and toxins out of the bottom of your feet. At the same time, your feet are absorbing the oxygen, the 73 plus trace minerals, the electrolytes. It's importing all of that at the cellular level in your body. And be sure, go ahead, enhance this foot soak with your favorite essential oil. You have a cold coming on, put some Tri-Remedy in there. You want to go to sleep right after. Well, let me tell you what, you are going to want to go to sleep right after. But put the lavender in there, put the HEPA detox in there, put the liver detox in there, and soak for 20 minutes max. On the soaks that we're going to talk about, the next one will be the bath. We'll get there in a second. But on the soaks, you do not want to reabsorb the chemicals that you're expelling. And then one tip on the foot bath is when you're done, grab your phone and turn your flashlight on and look at the water, because you're going to see things floating. You're going to see heavy metals. You may see some Morgellons. You may see parasites floating. And you can see them better when you have your flashlight on. After you've done your foot soak, you are free to start exploring other ways that you would like to use the Fulvic. One of my favorites is I fill a bathtub with hot water. And on the foot soak and this one, the water's got to be as hot as you can stand it without burning yourself. Add 1/2 teaspoon of Fulvic minerals if you have felt okay with the previous uses. Soak for no more than 20 minutes. Adding essential oils, Epsom salt, baking soda can enhance your experience as well. And I will tell you, there was one time I did 2 cups of Epsom salt. I am going to talk about making paste next on the next screen. But I did a paste from my forehead all the way down to my groin area and also in my armpits. And then I had 2 teaspoons in my bathtub with the Epsom salt. And I don't know what it was, but there was something this long that came out of my calf. I know it grosses you out, but it's also intriguing at the same time. So the Fulvic bath, your skin is your largest organ. And so again, you are expelling toxins out of your skin while uptaking the minerals and the oxygen that the Fulvic is going to provide. You can do a face mask with this. Like I mentioned on the previous slide, you can detox your armpits. I have made a paste with the lymph detox and applied it from the back of my ears all the way down and then down in the groin area to help pull more of that out. We've already got amazing products. This is just going to complement them. So for the face mask, half teaspoon of Fulvic, half teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of water. If you have sensitive skin, you're going to want to cancel out the baking soda because I have seen some irritation from that. Again, adding your essential oils or aloe vera to the mix so that you can have those additional benefits. Aloe vera mixed with the Fulvic in a face mask would be an amazing combination. I've not done that yet. That bottom picture right there, I don't know if you can really tell because it's probably small on your phone. First picture was before. The second picture was 30 minutes later. The fourth picture is my second mask. And the fifth one was my fifth mask. Look what that does for your skin. What'd Chelsea say? Fulvic and silver or witch hazel too? Yeah, yep, absolutely. So sun protection, antioxidant, cellular rejuvenation, maintains pH balance. That's very important in our body. Natural electrolytes, and reverses time. Look at that picture. I need to do more masks. In addition to that, other ways you can use fulvic minerals. And again, you guys keep in mind, listen to your body. If you start feeling anything worse than a hangnail, you might be starting a detox process. And it is not fun. We don't want our clients to have a negative experience on that. Add a half teaspoon to your shampoo. Add it, dip your toothbrush in it. Get a glass of water and swish it around your mouth. I will tell you that my dentist is blown away by my gum health. And I had gingivitis. So, and make your paste, armpits, cellulite, skin, abrasions. There's just so many ways to use this. We did a cellulite challenge in our team group before, and the difference in even a week with the cellulite was incredible. That is it. We'll have some of that documentation coming out to help you understand how to use that better. I know they're working on a frequently asked questions PDF that will be in the back office. I sent my information that I had as well as recipe cards. And if you know essential oils, I'm learning them. I know some, but put together some cute little recipe cards on how to help your friends. Put lemon oil in for teens that have issues with their skin on their face. Do a face mask with some lemon essential oil and put that on their face. That's a great way to help clear up that inflammation. Thank you.
These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. These products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. The video was made for educational purposes only. If you would like to learn more about this product or a free work from home business opportunity, check out the links in the description of this video. If you are new to our channel and you found this content valuable, please subscribe, like, and comment so we know what kind of content you would like to see in the future. And if you know anybody that would benefit from watching this video, please share with them. Thanks for watching.